Model, 2013 VAUXHALL Vivaro long wheelbase, diesel 2.0 CDTI, 115 PS, Sportive Van 2.9t Euro 5 body, black, panel van mileage, 144254 MOT, the 30th of January 2024 engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 bhp, EUR05, B transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine, needs injector number 3 replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, sat-nav, aircon EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £4,295. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on